Saturday, 27th of July. Still the weather's beautiful and everything's in full colour. Moving down from the bar garden. I just love that matana this time of year, though it's not flowering. It's really filling out and making a nice arch to actually walk through. Going into the family garden. Again looking good. Sweet peas. The border are planted. Little roses, little miniature rose it was given as that was another Mother's Day present. Just moving down the garden to my tree. I think my pampas grass is definitely taken. Moving down towards Chicken City. I've got a little chick here, a little silky, sitting on an egg as I move in through. I'll show you. But she's been sitting on this egg now for about 8 days. I don't want to frighten her or disturb her too much, so I'll do it very slowly. But there she is, sitting on her egg. And there's more than one egg underneath there. I'll just leave her there because it takes 21 days. Moving down through, hanging baskets looking good. I've shaped this willow a little bit as well, so you can walk through it now, under the arch. She gives a nice foreground to the veg garden. Potatoes are doing well. We've had quite a few of them. Tomatoes, they're all ripening lovely. It's a bit overgrown down the bottom, which I haven't done much to. Kale. Moving over here to my tomatoes looking a bit. These are cordon tomatoes, I've just left them. But in between here, I've actually got a cucumber, and that's superb. Look at that. I pick them quite young, so they're very tasty. Moving down to my cabbages are filling out well, really well. Starting to fill out. Some of the broccoli has bolted. We had a good bit of it, but a lot of it's bolted. So beans, all doing well, plenty of them. Moving round to my carrot challenge. Rick that man. That's coming on quite well. That's one on its own. That one, I think it's gifting up the ghost. But these other ones, these are even doing better, some of them. So, we'll see how we go with them. We'll pick a few of them out this weekend for Sunday dinner. Moving round over. I know you'll notice it need weeding, but I've got a lot of other things on my plate at the moment, so I haven't been able to give it my full attention like I normally do. But they're coming on great. Peas and my broad beans. I don't know how well they're doing, but I've never done them before, so we'll see. But certainly my peas are coming on superb. Superb. Plenty of pods on them. The lilies down the garden. Mint. And my hollyhocks. Well, next year I'm hopefully going to put them in the border. They're in tubs here at the moment, but I want to see how they go, so next year I'll move them. Moving into greenhouse number 2. Because ants are doing well, watering from the bottom. They're bushing out really well. My aubergine is coming on great. My sweet peppers, well, sweet pepper, not sweet peppers, and my tomatoes coming on really fine. Moving on into my greenhouse number 1 where my heated bed is. The chilies now, seem to be moving quite well. Flowers on them. So, yeah, a bit more hopeful about them. I was very disappointed in them early on, June, compared to what I'd seen on other people's. So, that's a little tour for this weekend. Okay, these are the russet potatoes. See what we get out of these. What I'm looking for is the slightly bigger spuds. Oh, there's a nice good one.
Is this whole patch spuds then?
Yeah.
So you should get quite a few big ones.
Well, I can't answer that question, Sam, whether I will or whether I won't, to be honest with you. But seems to be getting some decent ones, don't we?
Yeah.
That's not. We're doing quite well here. Let's get that one up. That's the last one of the russet.
There's quite a few big ones there.
Yes.
Now there's another two in front.
Yeah.
Are these russet potatoes
These
as well?
No, they're Charles.
What are them ones you're doing now?
Hey?
Are they still russet as well?
Yes, these are all russets in this little patch here.
And this bigger patch is all Charlotte potatoes?
Yes.
And then nothing in the end one?
They're Morris Pipers. Yeah, they were Morris Pipers that end, but there was only a few left from the big crop over there. So. Right, so we got a nice crop there. Be nice for roasties, so I've got a few good roasties there. Okay, I'm going to also pull some carrots to see what we've got here. So let's have a look. There's a few decent sort of looking ones here. It's okay, it's nice. Ooh, that's nice. Let's see if we can get enough for our dinner. Oh, that's a nice carrot.
It's good size.
Good sized carrot. Try and do is pick the big ones and leave some of the smaller ones in to carry on. Ooh, that's another beauty. This is a lot better than last year due to the fact I made the soil, put more sand in the soil.
Why did you do that?
To make it easier for the carrots to grow. Otherwise, you get a lot of them. Like this one is here, we split like that if the soil's not good. So we don't want them like that. We want them going straight down. No, that's not so good, but we can make use of it. You can make use of these. I don't think you're watching, are you?
Yeah. Aren't they carrots in the one next to it as well?
No. Right, okay. So that'll do for a little crop for our Sunday dinner.
Dad.
Okay, the runner beans. Yeah, they're starting to go now, so I'm going to pick some of the early ones and let's have a few runner beans. If you get them in the nice and fresh, a bit more tender. Some of these over here, as you can see, gone a bit big. I'll take these. take them off. There's no point in leaving them on. Yeah, that's I think well gone past its, but we'll take them. More here. Right, that should do a good bit for our Sunday dinner. That one there's not so good, but we'll cut the green off. Okay, Sue's just also asked me for a cabbage for the Sunday dinner, so there's a few here, so I'll take this one, I think. Looks a nice head on it, so that's not bad. Lovely. Well, is that it? Summer over. It's absolutely been throwing it down today. We've had thunder, we've had lightning, but at least tonight I won't have to water the plants apart from the greenhouse.